Gawa pa na mabanlas na mga balaya nila dito. Pero na. Away, lisod na kayo ng ingunanang agian sa imong balay, Brigada Cap, no?
Sa tuwa sa lisod, ang
Luluan. Grabe yun ang kabalayan. Gibanlas, umayo niya matay. Di na mabasta-basta ni nga tubiga, magahigala kung sa pag-initaw ni Bayin. O, nag-iingo na to kung siya man nga rason, ani. No? Ipahigmata, magitag maayo. Nga di na to na diya lagi taon na yamaan ng atong mga proyekto, Brigada Cap, no?
Atong kalikupan, di na to na.
Oh, niya kanibang di sa ginato na diya yama-yamaan ang ato ang kalikupan kay maunay makatabang protektar na to. No? Mao siguro gyud ni Brigada Cap nganong ngayon ani naman ni grabe naman gining baha ron di naman lang kay tagatuhod tagaliog. No? Lapaw bay naman ning mga baha.
Let's go, Fantabulous 5!
Imagine all the new places you'll go with Mickey and his crew.
Heroes, let's get to work!
It'll be super fun. Wow!
Up the stairs can take you anywhere.
Come on!
Imagine the adventure.
Ready to hit the trail?
Maybe we should keep moving.
Imagine the fun.
Ta-da!
Where will you go?
I love safaris!
Mickey Mouse Funhouse. Every day on Disney Junior.
My name's Ariel, and these are my friends.
Go on an adventure with Ariel and all her fantastic friends and family.
It's fashion time! You look fantastic. I love it.
Ariel. Weekend mornings on Disney Junior.
Let's go, baby. Come on now. I get strong. You get strong.
Hey guys, done for some deep sea fishing? Crack of dawn Saturday?
Oh, let's go, baby.
What time are you heading back?
We'll be back by dusk.
We're gonna be all right. We're four big, strong men.
Well, you can't bench press the ocean.
Look at this haul. This weather is not good.
We gotta wrap it up.
Nicholas, it's Mom. I know you went out fishing this morning. This big storm's supposed to hit. Love you, hon. Bye.
Get back to the boat. I get strong. You get strong. You get strong. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
This is now a rescue mission.
We've got some men out in the open water.
4 men in the middle of a giant storm.
What's happening to him?
Hypothermia.
Captain, is my boy still alive?
Let's turn this thing up. I'm gonna do everything in my power to bring him home safe and sound.
Right now. Let's go.
No visual. Weather getting worse.
We are not done yet.
Hang on. I love you.
Hope is the strongest thing that we have.
I get strong. You get strong. We get strong.
Teka, ulit, ano to?
Meron kaming sabina.
Twist after twist after twist ang magkakasunod na ganap sa GMA Prime series na Slay. Mula sa revelasyong inabuso si Zack na nauwi sa pamamaril ni Leonard sa gym hanggang sa pasabog na ampon si Sugar. At ngayoy pag-amin ni Hector na siya ang naglason kay Zack. May 2 episode pa pero di raw dapat bumitiw sa unexpected finale.
Hindi ko pumatay kay Zack.
Ang finale natin sa June 13, dapat hindi pa lagpasin yan. Friday the 13th, sakto sa team natin.
Kami rin mismo nahugulat din kami. Ito pala yung edit. This parang, okay, like this happened nung view. This did not happen in view. So, parang talagang may dapat pa rin abangan sa GMA.
Kahit magtatapos na ang Slay, magkakatrabaho pa rin ang 4 na ladies ng Slay sa upcoming Encantadia Chronicles Sangre. Si Gabby Garcia muling gaganap as Alena, Si Mikey Quintos naman muling bubuhayin ang karakter ni Lyra. At si Isabel Ortega ipinakilala na bilang si Sangre Armea.
Story is very, very different na from the books before. Pero abangan nyo pa rin kasi may vital roles pa rin yung mga taga 2016 na mga Sangre.
Yung role ko as Lyra, it changed my life. It was my first job ever. Like, the first acting gig I ever landed.
Si Julia naman, natutuwa na siya ang napiling kumanta ng theme song ng GMA Mega Telefantasia at hindi raw madaling awitin ang theme song.
May ibang language, yung enchant.
Naintindihan mo yung sinasabi?
Medyo naiintindihan ko yung... I mean, like, I kind of assumed kung ano yung mga...
Meaning.
Oh, like
para
yung
may
meaning.
feelings,
Oo. Kasi, ewan ko, nag-depend lang din ako siguro dun sa mga stanzas na Tagalog. So parang the gist of it.
Feeling blessed din ang girls sa iba pa nilang project. Si Gabby naman, sobrang nilulook forward ang big night ng PBB Celebrity Collab Edition.
Exciting kasi lahat sila deserving manalo. Kasi grabe, they're also very special in their own way. And nakakatuwa, we're having our last few house guests also.
Si Mikey, magsushooting muli kasama ang ex-boyfriend na si Paul Salas para sa pelikulang nasimulan nila noong magkasintahan pa.
Before getting into the relationship, alam namin yung trabaho namin pareho. And however it ended, alam namin kaya namin magtrabaho together.
Lor Santiago, updated sa showbiz happening.